name is Joey Pisanya, and today I want to share my passion for motocross. Motocross is more than just riding a bike fast through dirt and jumps. To me, it represents freedom, courage, and determination to push beyond limits. Every time I put my helmet and start my engine, I'm reminded that success doesn't come without rest, effort, and commitment. When I first started riding motocross, it wasn't easy. I feel I failed. There were times when fear tried to hold me back, but each fall taught me a lesson: how to get back stronger, smarter, and more focused. Motocross taught me that mistakes are not the end, they're part of the journey to improvement. This sport requires discipline, mental strength. It is just about the speed, but control, balance, and focus. 1 second distraction can change everything. Motocross has helped me develop confidence, patience, and respect for sports, for safety, and for myself. Motocross also taught me the importance to hard work, training, maintaining my bike, staying physically fit, and constantly improving my skills are all part of the process. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's built lap by lap, race by race. My dream is to grow as a rider, compete at higher levels, and represent my community with pride. I want to improve that passion and perseverance can turn dreams into reality. I hope to inspire others to chase what they love, no matter how challenging it may be. Motocross has shaped who I am today. It's taught me resilience, confidence, and the courage to chase my dreams at full throttle. Thank you.